Welcome to JH. PriceClub.com claims to be your new best friend for deals and discounts. But let's be real, we've all been burned by too good to be true before. So, is it actually legit or just another internet dumpster fire? Let's break it down in a way that won't give you a headache. First, let's look at the positive signs, starting with their domain registration. The site was created in March 2023, which in internet years makes it practically ancient. It's not some fly-by-night operation that popped up yesterday like a bad rash, and that longevity usually gives buyers a bit more confidence. Another point in their favor is their massive social media presence. They've managed to wrangle over 4,000 followers on Facebook and a staggering 270,000 on Instagram. Apparently, people are actually paying attention to them, and they've been active enough to prove they aren't just hiding in a digital basement. They've even put a face to the name by publicly sharing their founder, Nate Hanks. It's a lot harder to pull a vanishing act when everyone knows what you look like. So that level of transparency is a refreshing change of pace. The most reassuring part is that they aren't actually taking your money directly. They provide discount codes and send you straight to Amazon. Since Amazon is basically the retail overlord with actual buyer protection, it's much safer than sending your credit card info to a random site you found at 3 a.m. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. When we went looking for reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, we found absolutely nothing. It's like searching for a polite person in a YouTube comment section, total silence. While the lack of independent reviews doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, it does leave things feeling a bit unfinished. So is PriceClub.com legit? Based on the established domain, the huge social following, and the fact that they use Amazon for the heavy lifting, it looks like a legitimate deal-sharing platform. Just remember that the internet is a wild place, so keep one eye open and double-check those offers before you start clicking buy. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates before you get distracted by something shiny.